अजय अजय
पळय लोकांचो प्रॉब्लेम आशिल्लो हांगा उदकाचो. सो मोविन सरान PWDचो अप्लाय करून मिन्स फॉलोअप करून कंटिन्युअसली आमकां आज 32 लॅक्साचो काम जे सँक्शन करून हाडला पळय. सो लोकांची इतली प्रॉब्लेम आशिल्लो हांगा उदकाचे ते हे पायपलायन ले केल्या उपरांत सॉल्व जातले. सो हांव सराक थँक्यू म्हणटा की त्यांनी इनिशिएटीव घेवन आज आमकां एक बरो PWD पायपलायनाचो प्रोजेक्ट हाडून दिला आमकां. आनी नेक्स्ट 2-3 फेजीन आमकां फूल दाबोलीम ऑलमोस्ट कवर जातले. हांगा एक टँक येवपाचो उदकाचो व्हडलो. सो फूल दाबोलीम आमकां दिसता नेक्स्ट 5-6 म्हयन्यान 24 आवर्स वॉटर सप्लाय आनी बरो प्रेशरान उदीक येतलें आमकां.
पायपलायनाचे कॉस्ट कितले आनी कितल्या टायमान जातले हे
हो प्रोजेक्ट आता जे इनॉग्रेशन केला पळय आमी ते 32 लॅक्स कॉस्टिंग हेजो आनी हे साधारण 1 म्हयन्या भितर जावपा जाय.
ओके थँक्यू. इनॉग्रेट lay a foundation stone of water pipeline. What you have to say?
See, this is a new pipeline in this area of Dabolim, where it is where the work is going to start for on 32 lakhs work it is. Okay, this is just a pipeline. In the vicinity, a huge storage tank also is coming for water. All associated works are going to come in this area, and as I have always said, maximum work is going to take place as far as Dabolim constituency is concerned. Whether it is party work, whether it is government initiated project, whether it is panchayat initiated project, we are always Dabolim first. I have Kamla Prasad Yadav, who is my sarpanch also. We are both working very hard along with the other panches of the panchayat. We have decided we will work and finish projects what normally other people do in 5 years. We want to do it in the next 2 years.
Okay.